Hi, I'm Miss Moore. I'm going to introduce you to Art Design AB. Know that it is a class open for all, not just freshmen, even though it does tend to have more freshmen in it because it's a class that we do bring over as our first level of our design pathway. But I do want to invite you upperclassmen to join. I have some great seniors that are in this year, really loving the class. As I do every year, some juniors. It's a great way to get your fine arts credit as one of the easiest classes we offer. It is a class where we offer 50% digital and 50% art design or art, traditional art. So you do drawing and painting, but you also do Photoshop. Because we do the Photoshop part, you get credit from DVC at the end of the year if you create the portfolio that works into their parameters, and if you have a B or C in the class. So I just wanted to show you kind of how my classroom works, because that's usually the question. Is there homework? Not really, especially if you get your stuff done early. If you are the type of person who takes some time on your artwork, you might have a little homework, because I do kind of look at the class, see how long it's taking to make their work, and then use that to actually like know that we can move on to the next assignment. So you try to make sure we go with the level of the class and where we're at. So I just wanted to show you my classroom. So most of the time you'll have bigger assignments. They have a few weeks or a few days to work on it. I do demos and live in front of the class. Sometimes, well, now they'll all be videotaped probably, but as well. So if you miss class, we do have computers for the digital part with Photoshop. You'll get a Photoshop account. Everybody gets a Photoshop account. You can see we definitely have like tutorials with it. It is a time when, I don't know if any student works here, but you can see this was the end of the year, of course, right? But they're designing, drawing their self-portraits on these. I picked a class farther back because of the COVID stuff. And so we're just looking at kind of what we're getting now. I'm looking for some more traditional ones just to show you that as well. You can see I usually give you videos, and but again, it's not like I try to make it so hard that it's not accessible for everybody. We love doing these projects, and you can see here, look, they're painted because we're doing acrylic paints. That was not gonna load. I'm gonna show you dates. But you can see we give you time in class. There, again, you don't need any materials of your own. You turn in your work for me on Google Classroom. So there's no like losing your work if you're ready to take it home on your own. Here's an example of another demo. So those are the main questions I usually get about the class, like what homework, is it hard? All those questions. Those are the ones I could think of from the upperclassmen. Both me and Ms. Carmen do teach Art Design AB. Usually both have 2 periods, maybe more. And so that's kind of one of those things you don't know which one of us you're gonna get. And we both do it in a different little style. I go back and forth. So I do like traditional one day, 1 week, and then the next week you do Photoshop. Miss Carmen does it where she stops in the middle, and she does all traditional at the beginning of the year and all digital at the end of the year. So just different ways of teaching. But we teach the same standards, we teach the same things, and we especially get you ready for that DVC test. And so you can get those credits. It's an amazing thing to put on college apps. It gets you credit for college. You can put it on college apps that you took that class, and all around pretty good to have. So I highly recommend this as a starting place. Again, like I said, upperclassmen do take it. So if you have any more questions, please go to Miss Carmen. She'll be there tomorrow. I'm sorry, Tuesday. I'm recording this on, I'm sorry, Wednesday. I'm recording this on Tuesday. So she'll be there Wednesday at the club, at the Zoom that is linked. If you want an appointment with me because you have direct questions with me about what class to be in, she'll give you a link. But if not, she can answer all the questions. She's just like me, except for another art teacher. So Let me know, and I hope to see you guys in art next year.